Hi, this is Larry Casillo with Casillo Insurance, coming to you with another update on the insurance world for the amusement industry. We've got some bad news and some good news. The recent amount of phone calls we've received from the people looking for insurance and from insurance agents have been crazy. We've been notified that U.S. Fire has stopped writing inflatables and be issuing non-renewals. We have several people that are very scared. If you do not know who your insurance carrier is, look on your insurance certificate. Under the right-hand side, you'll see the name of the company. If U.S. Fire is on there, you might be getting a non-renewal certificate, a letter in the mail saying, hey, we're not going to be renewing you. They're pulling out of that industry. So a lot of people calling concerned, nervous. I understand why. They want to know, are we still writing business? And the answer is yes, we are. And we're doing a great job at it. And I have a great staff and a great company behind us to make sure that we continue. We're asked, okay, why did U.S. Fire pull out of the inflatable industry? Well, in the last 4 years, there's been 4 companies that have pulled out of the industry. And I don't work for that particular carrier at all, and I don't write for him anymore. But from my experience, the bottom line is, if that insurance company is not making any money and the losses are more than what their income is, they pull out. It's a business. They're in it to make money. So understand that the claims must have been substantial enough for those 4 carriers to pull out because of what's going on in our industry. And those are things we need to address. All right, so what are you going to be able to do if you get that non-renewal letter? Well, you want to, they have to give you a 60-day notice. So you have 2 months basically for you to be able to look for another carrier. We could be one of those. We're not sure when they're going to start mailing out those notices, but when you get one, you can go to our website, casilloinsurance.com, or weinsureinflatables.com. Either one, you can get right to our applications. We have online applications you can complete, which is the fastest, or you can do the PDF ones. So casilloinsurance.com or weinsureinflatables.com. And we do the inflatable bounce houses, slides, zip lines, the knocker balls, the water zorbs, pretty much everything you need, kiddie rides. All right, so what are you going to need to get insurance? You're going to have to do a new application, obviously. With our program, you're going to do it once, and you're going to get a renewal application link on renewal where you just verify your equipment and you verify your gross sales. Not hard. The first time, it's going to be a little pain in the butt, but after that, it'll be very automated. You're going to have to ask your current agent to get currently valued loss runs for the last 5 years. Doesn't matter if you've been in business 1 year or 12 years. You're going to have to get at least 5 years. If it's less than 5 that you've been in business, they will send those. It might take a while since there's so many people being non-renewed, so you need to plan ahead. Go ahead and start ordering them now. They're only good for 60-day window, so make sure you're within that 60 days to go ahead and request them. It may take them 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks because there's so many people that are going to be getting these notices. So plan ahead. All right, so let's say we get your application, you come to us and you say, hey, we need some insurance, what can you do for us? We'll get your information, we're gonna ask for a complete submission, everything that we need, copy your rental agreement, waivers, whatever it is that you have, your loss runs, and we'll be able to give you an indication and say, okay, you're looking at premium of X, and there'll be some payment options. We just now got payment options for the minimum premium guys a couple of months ago, so that's been helping out for the smaller guys. All right, will all inflatable business owners qualify for a preferred insurance program? No, not everybody qualifies for preferred rates. Just like in auto or homeowners rates, if you have tickets or accidents, you're gonna pay a higher rate than if you have a clean record. If you have an older home, you're gonna pay higher than if you have a newer home. It's the same in amusement insurance. So what would cause them not to qualify for a preferred program? So maybe they have claims, maybe they have some type of equipment that isn't under the preferred list that is acceptable. They may be an issue with several businesses under one tax ID number. Those are some of the things that I can remember that have happened recently. But don't worry, we have other markets. The minimum premiums are going to be higher than what you're probably used to paying before. We do ask for probably a lot more underwriting information, and that's probably why our program's still around, because we actually want to work with people that do the safety steps, do the training. Those are the people who are going to get that preferred rate. So if you have any questions, CasilloInsurance.com. You can email me, Larry@CasilloInsurance.com, if you want to email me and ask questions. I'm also on Facebook. God knows everywhere else too. Been great sharing the information with you. Hopefully this helps a lot of the people that are making the phone calls and are scared. Don't be afraid. There is help, and we're out there to help you guys. Have a great one. Enjoy. Summer's half over. Thank you.